If you're worried or confused about how to get a mortgage because of your tax situation, or worried that maybe you haven't filed enough income on your tax returns, well, in this video, I am going to show you the 4 different ways to get a mortgage fast. So, number 1, if you've been in business for 5 years or more, then you can file just your most recent year's tax return or provide that to get a conventional mortgage. Why would you want to do that? Well, let's say that if you average your last 2 years of taxes, then the income's not enough. But your most recent year, you had a really good year. Well, then you can just use that 1 year of tax returns and use that to qualify for a mortgage. But what if, even then, you don't claim enough income on your taxes to get a mortgage? Then I'm going to talk about option number 2. Then we would go to what I would call a bank statement mortgage. That's when you only use 12 months, the 12 most recent months of business bank statements, and we would take a minimum of 50% of those deposits up to maybe 80% of those deposits, depending on what sort of business you have, and that would be the income that you use to qualify on. Now, the good thing about this is you don't have to rely on, say, taxes that have already been filed, for example. You can use up to your most recent months of bank statements to qualify. Well, what if that's not enough? Or let's say that you're a 1099 type worker, like a real estate agent or a consultant or anybody that receives 1099s. Option number 3 would be to use just your most current year, 1 year of 1099s, whether that be 1 or 5 1099s. We would take that total and use 90% of that to qualify you for a mortgage. And again, with the bank statement loan or the 1099 option, you do not have to file or present or give any tax returns to the mortgage company for those kinds of loans. Well, let's say even then, let's say you're in a position where you've just started your business, or maybe you're not even employed right now, but you have plenty of money to put down and you have good credit. Well, then I would go to option number 4, which is basically a no income loan. It's called a no ratio loan. That means that you don't provide any income documentation. You don't even list a job on the mortgage application. As long as you have 25% of the purchase price to put down, a 680 credit score, and 6 to 9 months of mortgage payments in some sort of account, bank account, retirement account, stock account, then you can get a mortgage. Now, of course, the interest rates are going to be higher on option number 2, 3, and 4, the bank statement loan, the 1099 loan, and the no income verification loan. But those are very quick, fairly easy ways to get a mortgage. So if you found this video helpful, it would help me a lot if you would click like and subscribe. Then you'll get notified of any other videos that come up that I put out. And if one of these options is something you'd like to talk about personally, please reach out to me on my website, mortgagesbyscott.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.